I'm Amanda Whitson, and I'm very excited to be a part of the team here at AesthetiCare and to launch their Wellness and Regenerative Therapy program. I am a board-certified family nurse practitioner, and I have completed an advanced fellowship in anti-aging, functional, and regenerative medicine, and I have a real passion for bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. I enjoy treating both men and women and helping them optimize their hormones. The services that we're going to be offering here are going to include bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, IV nutritional therapy, IM therapies, and ozone therapy. So bioidentical hormones are hormones that your body recognizes. So as opposed to synthetic hormones, which your body does not recognize as natural and can create many side effects. So IV nutritional therapy allows for nutrients such as B vitamins and vitamin C and many others to be 100% bioavailable for your cells to use. You don't have to depend on your gut for absorption, and your body just gets to utilize exactly what is put into your bloodstream. We're also going to be offering intramuscular injections, also known as IM injections, which are just a nice adjunct to hormones as well as any underlying nutritional needs. Those IMs will include things like B12 and glutathione. We also plan on bringing on board ozone therapy, and ozone therapy ozone is actually a gas, and when delivered intravenously, it has really great anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. If you are interested in learning more about our wellness program here at AesthetiCare, you can contact the office and schedule a consult with me, and we can review your medical history and your goals and determine if you're a candidate for treatments.